The next part is how to use your chair. Now, you don't need an expensive chair to sit properly at work. What you can do with virtually any chair is sit on the edge of your chair with the level of your knees lower than the hips and keep this back arch here and curving this way. As soon as the curve goes the opposite way, you'll be slouching and the head goes forward. So you want the arch in your back going forward, and that can be helped by having your knees lower than your hips. And even with a cheap chair, you can keep that kind of posture. If you'd like to sit further into the chair, that's fine as well. If you sit all the way back, you need to make sure that this curve is still there. Now, some chairs do that really well, where they push you forward and allow you to keep that curve in your lower back. But a lot of chairs don't, or they may not suit you. The way to actually alleviate that problem is to get a rolled up towel or a pillow and put it in this gap here. Okay, and then make sure that that pillow is not all the way at the base down the bottom here, but in this gap here. And that way you'll be able to keep that good posture for a lot longer.